Today is gonna be a good day. We're going out to the Owyhees, which is a local mountain range, and we're gonna test out the trailer. It's pretty much gonna be empty. We're just gonna take it out. I wanna see how it performs. We'll get some cool GoPro shots underneath, see how the suspension handles everything, see if my four-wheeler can make it up some steep inclines, and do some technical stuff with the trailer behind it. It's gonna be a good day. Definitely. So it is a whole different ride pulling a trailer. It's still heavy enough that like, if I'm kind of at an angle, I can feel the trailer kind of wanting to pull me a little bit, and I don't know. Definitely just have to get used to it. I'm taking it pretty easy, you know, I want to see how the trailer does. So far it's doing great. The four-wheeler's pulling it up just fine. I'm a little worried, not worried. The most technical part of the trail is coming up here, and it's definitely gonna be interesting to see, I don't know, just see how it goes. So, but so far it's great. Got some local wildlife here. Well, it was certainly interesting. I'm glad I have these Kinda Bear claws because they are really grippy. That was 4 low coming up. That was pretty steep, but you know what? It made it. I mean, even though it was kind of spinning out sometimes, the four-wheeler never like struggled as far as being at like the top end of the power range or anything. So it did pretty well. I could definitely feel the trailer like pulling me certain directions a few times, but man, if we're going four-wheeler camping, I can't imagine going places that are much gnarlier than that. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think it did well. I'll tell you guys what, that's a blast. And it's time for lunch. So let's eat. Got some Albertson sandwiches, some cheesy grooves, and some beautiful scenery. Oh yeah, this is an old cabin. How old, do you remember how old the cabin has been?
I think it was built in the early 1900s.
Early 1900s. Ben actually slept in it one time.
I did.
He didn't even die. It's a cool area though, for sure. Little corral over there. Well, that's it for part 2 of the ATV camping trailer. Overall, I am really happy with how it worked out. I don't see any issues. I definitely want to move forward with the project. I'm really looking forward to getting some bigger tires, painting it, just putting it all together. It's a really exciting project to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.